Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis yesterday, so that is where the green line there is coming from, and definitely got it wrong. Going into today, things were looking quite bearish, but you got to give credit where credit's due. The bulls during that first 30 minutes, represented by that candle right there, you can see just came out of the gates and really just kind of punched that bearish pattern in the face. Did roll back over, but overall, the price, not only did it hold that level of support down there that I talked about in Tuesday's video, but got the nice move up and still managed to close up in this portion of the chart. So it's not like it totally gave back all its gains or anything like that. Sure, it would have been much better for the price to close up around that area, but again, it's not like it was a total collapse or anything like that. But now this kind of changes things up. I mean, overall, it's still bearish. I mean, you have the overall trend right here, which you can see is still very clearly, pushing down the price, regardless of how you draw the trend line. But the point being that right now, yeah, I mean, as far as the highs are concerned, the highs are getting lower and lower. But to also give credit now in the new dynamic to at least I'm going to kind of monitor going forward, is that the price is now starting to work on building an overall uptrend. So yeah, you have that downtrend, but on the same token, you have these lows starting to get higher and higher. So that'll be a very interesting dynamic to watch going forward, and the big question just is, can the price maintain this little kind of upwards movement that's occurring? I mean, it's nothing boisterous. It's not like it's fireworks or anything like that. Right now, it's a slow and steady burn. But sometimes slow and steady burns are the best way to go about it. But again, I do realize slow and steady burn, that's like a little sound bite, but how do you actually visualize the sound bite? Well, that's why I love charts, and the best way to visualize, the slow and steady burn is to just watch that trend line, and as long as the price stays above it, then yeah, the burn is still in full effect. Now, if the price goes down and then cracks down through it, at that point, it wouldn't be shocking at all to see the price go down there and test 330. But as of right now, that trend line is doing a great job of illustrating how the price is quietly and so slowly pushing the price back upward. So that's definitely going to be the main focus now going forward, stand up above that trend line. So let's see if the bulls can get that job done or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.